Good morning guys! So, dito kami sa labas. Medyo mainit. Yan yung mga bata naglalaro lang. So, check natin ang garden. Ito yung pag naggugulay ako. So, itinabi ko siya. Tapos nilagyan ko lang siya ng tubig. Pero kailangan palitan natin siya. Tingnan, tumubo na siya ulit. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan, oh. Meron na siyang roots at saka may dahon na. So, ang gagawin ko everyday, papalitan natin ng tubig. Okay? Especially nasa mainit. So, I'll try to grow it again. Doon, ang dami ko na guys, talbos. Kaya lang, gusto ko ulit mag-experiment. Yan. So, pwede naman talaga siyang patubuin from dun sa tangkay. So, may dahon na siya ulit. Yan guys, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng kalabasa. Sabi asawa ko, spaghetti squash daw. Kaya lang, parang hindi naman. Siguro nga spaghetti squash. Hindi ko alam. Alam nyo guys, may nagtatanong sa inyo yung ating grapes. Nandun yung grapes natin guys, dun sa dulo. Ayun oh, andun. Kasi masukal kaya hindi hindi ako masyado makapunta doon. Alam niyo na ang kasunod nito. Checkin natin ang ating blackberries. Make sure na walang ahas, Kasi si Bebang kalimitan yung kasama ko eh. Ato, bigay ko na lang sa kanila mamaya. Okay, harvest natin. Marami pa kami sa fridge. Kasi minsan ang dami talaga. Ayan. Okay. Ito medyo maat na pa. Hindi pa siya ready. Ito. Yan, pwede na to. Malalaman mo pati pag pwede na. Dahil pag hinila mo siya, na malambot. Yung madali siyang hilahin. Okay. Ito yung matamis. Itong isa, medyo maasim. Kahit itim, maasim siya. Siguro yun yung pang jam. Mapula pa yung isa. Hayaan natin silang maglaro. Masyadong mataas yung kanilang energy, guys. Malaki siya. Ayan. Tapos ito guys, isa na to. Ito yung medyo maasim. Tikman ko nga ulit. O parang maaasiman ako sa kanya. Ibang variety to eh. Medyo maliit siya. Tingnan natin yung hinog na hinog talaga. Ayun. Ito medyo mapula pa. Oh, hinog na hinog. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung medyo ibang variety. Parang bilugan yung kanyang So, yan. Ito siguro ready na to. Kasi itim na eh. Yun. Dito. Ay, mapula pa yun. Ito kaya. So, 2 puno to guys. Ayan. Ito yung blackberries. Ito yung talbos. Tingnan nyo guys yung tinanim ko. Galing sa aking, doon sa aking pinakita sa inyo na nasa tubig. May suloy na rin. Anong nangyari sa iyo? Talagang Pilipina, yeah. Talagang Pilipina, yeah. Talagang Pilipina. Marina ko pa siya guys hinihintay. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating? Ha? Ito hindi namin alam kung ano yan guys, oh. Hindi namin alam kung ano yan. Kasi volunteer yan. Uy, meron na tayong kamatis, oh. Ano ang laki na ng ating eggplant. So, din sa bago nating manonood. Ano to guys, lahat to is from seeds ko siya tinanim. So, yan. May eggplant na tayo. Tapos yung may purple pala niya. Yan guys, yan ay purple peppers. Tapos yung isa pala mini bell peppers. Tapos ito, hindi ko alam. Siguro regular mini ano to. Bell peppers. Or chocolate to. Chocolate. Tingnan natin. Yan, may mga peppers na tayo. Ay, hinog na yung kamatis, oh. Hinog na yung kamatis. Hindi ko to guys natatanggalan ng damo. Baka today. May nagsuggest, ate, ba't di mo natanggal ng damo? Kasi natatakot nga akong umano. Pumunta doon. Ayan. Si ating malunggay. Ay, ito lumapad na. Bebang, you want some?
Yeah.
Si Daddy's mukbang. Oh, only Daddy only
Mama.
had some. Uy! Oh, he
Last
picked
night
the
I-
tomatoes. Kuya picked the tomatoes.
It's right.
You wanna eat it? Go ahead.
I wanted to wash it.
Mmm.
Yeah, good.
The other one is kind of sour. This one is super sweet.
Yeah.
Kain.
It's a big tomato.
Yeah.
It's a big tomato. You
Halika.
need to cut it.
Yeah. Matamis. Sarap.
Juicy.
Juicy. There's another one.
And sweet.
That
And
one looks
sweet.
right, too.
Yeah, that one looks right.
That one's not quite. Oh, is that the one on the small?
Yeah. Yeah. Daddy has been waiting.
It's a little red.
Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. Tomatoes. Sarap.
Tomato mukbang.
Tomato mo.
That's a yummy tomato.
Did you finish it? Naubos ni Kuya. Uh-oh. To Daddy. Let's take that one.
Going on the tub.
It's drying. Is it small? Oh, it's...
Is it just a little dry?
So, harvest na tayo guys ng corn. Corn harvest.
I don't know how you fix it.
Yeah, just pull it. Whoa. Small, but hey. Ooh!
Let's take
Harvest na
off
tayo
the
ng
hair.
corn. Tingnan nyo guys, ito ay yung variety na ano.
Red and orange corn.
Hey, Daddy, this one too.
We can cook it.
Yeah, we can cook it. Ang ating corn, kaya lang matigas siya. Yung naano siya natuyo dun sa ano. Parang matagal na siyang ready.
Lots of fruits and vegetables.
Yes.
There's a
I
big
guess we can...
corn.
Yes. Yan. It's done. Bigla ang harvest ng corn. Ooh, that one is nice too. Pwede rin siya guys i-powder, gawin yung tortilla, ganyan. Pero pag malambot pa siya, pwede nyo siya ilaga. Kaya lang to parang
That's a big
ano siya, ready na siya. Actually, it's not as big. This one is glass corn as well.
glass corn.
Maliliit yung ano niya.
Look at this.
Yan. Wow. Ayan guys, so ang cute. Kaya lang maano siya. Kalimitan to guys pang decoration. Tatandry ko lang. So we can clear some. So kukuha lang si Daddy ng pang prune. Si Kuya mahilig din siya sa tomatoes.
I love tomatoes.
Yeah. So yun na ang ating...
A
Ha?
little green.
Yeah. Yeah.
Blackberry.
Yeah, a little corn.
Ooh, fennel.
Fennel. Bebang.
I checked earlier.
You checked earlier? First time natin tong...
Got it, boy.
Yeah. So, yan, maliliit guys. Siguro kasi siksikan. Excuse me, Kuya. First time naming magpatubo.
Hey, what is
Oh, nag-peel si Kuya. Okay. Lagyan natin
For
doon.
you.
Thank you.
Save all the corn.
Wow, they're beautiful.
Is this rotten?
Let's see. Maliliit, guys. Ano to? Dapat malalaki to, kaya lang.
Daddy,
Ano eh?
Daddy.
Yan si Daddy.
I want the pumpkin, please. Pumpkin.
I want the pumpkin, please. Is it ready? Wow, that's beautiful.
Wow! Daddy,
Wow. That's so cute. Diba? It's fun for the voice. The voice.
Daddy, look at this corn.
Baliktad na naman ang shirt ni Kuya.
Wow. That's cute.
That's cute.
Daddy.
Wow. Lagay mo doon.
Do you think the pumpkin's done?
Yeah, he's been wanting to
Sounds
harvest.
hollow.
This is how I do it.
Okay. Ben, you wanna ano? Open?
Peel like this. Peel. 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 Peel.
Ang corn pala, guys, dapat talaga meron kayong malaking garden para sa corn. Para lumaki siya ng maayos.
Peel.
Kasi yung sa akin, tabi-tabi eh.
This is how I peel up
Yeah?
corn.
Let's see. It's a surprise because we don't know.
Yeah, open it.
Kuya will open it.
I
Surprise.
want the pumpkin, please, Daddy.
Pumpkin candy.
Gusto talaga ni Ben ay pumpkin.
Surprise.
Oh, oh no, this one is super tiny. Oh, let's move on. Ito na lang. That has nothing. No, ano.
No colors.
Yeah, just a little bit. Oh, dito, dali. Ito, Kuya, open this one. Ito. So, keep that. Dapat talaga, sabi nga ng asawa ko, naku, ano yan, kung magtatanim ka ng corn, dapat yung malaki yung space na talagang
This is fun. Peeling corn is fun.
Yes. Tingnan natin, excited si Kuya.
I don't know what the surprise.
Wow! Anong kulay this one? Iba-iba siya.
It's like a surprise.
Yeah. Wow. Look at that. We have more here, Kuya. Yes. Good job. Wow. Okay.
Daddy, I'll show it to Daddy. Daddy, look. Daddy, look. I got corn.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Oh my
May
goodness.
variety to guys.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
different color, this one. Red.
I like
These
that
are
one.
red.
That was nice.
Yeah. Excited si Kuya. Good. Alright. It's like a surprise. See, that's our surprise to you. So far, yan guys yung ating beautiful.
Nice picture.
Sort
Yeah.
all the corns that are out of the corn.
Yeah.
I want to see what surprise
I know.
is yet. Yeah.
Wow.
Let's see. What's the color? I'm a hard worker. Who peels corn?
Wow, mababakante na yung ating garden. Si Daddy yung nag-harvest. Si Ben naman. Teka lang, babalik tayo ha. Wow! Ay! Okay, bayanihan tayo dito. Wow! Another different color!
Black.
Is it black? Yeah. It's like kind of purplish. Purple? Or black? Look at that! Ano guys, the heirloom organic ng GMO corn ito. Ayan, maganda siyang pan-decor, ano? It's like for the center table.
Look.
Wow! Wow!
I make a ding sound.
Ding! Wow! Another surprise. Look, Daddy. Have you seen corn like
Oh,
this?
no.
Oh, this is what they use for
Oh,
blue
nice.
corn chips.
Uh,
Yeah. This is, I've never seen this before. Ito. Meron pa guys, ito yung na-harvest natin.
Mama.
Yes, you want to get the pumpkin?
Yeah, we can get the pumpkin.
It's ready.
Yeah, because we have another one. And I planted it super early. So that's why it gets
Okay,
ripened
Ben.
early. Okay, Ben. Wait, don't smash our cabbage. Give way for Daddy.
Peanuts, the round.
Some of these other glass corn.
Oh my goodness, that's what we harvested the first time. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. Have you seen corn like that before? Whoa. Ah.
Let's break this up.
Yay! Good job. Wow, si Kuya lahat yung nag-ano nito. Dito. Wow! Tingnan nyo,
There's
girls.
pink.
Oh, it's like pink. Okay, let's see what surprise we'll get. Ito pa, meron pa dito, Kuya. What color?
This is the biggest corn.
I know, biggest corn yun. Ben likes the pumpkin. So, pinaharvest na ni Ben yung kanyang pumpkin. Matagal niya nang iniispatan. Hindi ko namin alam kung ready na ba siya. Pero ayan na! Natupad na ang kanyang pangarap.
Oh yeah, I got a pumpkin.
From the garden.
Put here.
Ay, putaw doon.
The pumpkin's big. Is it a little heavy? No.
Let Kuya have it.
Let me
let it.
see how much.
How many pounds do you think that is?
100.
100?
Heavy.
Don't drop it.
It's really heavy.
So far, meron tayong pumpkin harvest na tayo. Tapos,
Ben,
blackberries and yung ating
wait.
corn.
How heavy is it? Then, like
Let me
that.
see.
How many pounds? 2 pounds?
At least 3,
At least 3?
maybe 4.
Yeah. Exciting. Kahit na maliliit yung variety na.
And let's see.
Bawi na lang
all
ulit
the
tayo next year kasi first time.
Look at this.
Wow, this one is...
Papaya.
Ah, ampalaya.
This.
Nasaan?
This.
No, that's squash. Tingnan nyo, iba-ibang kulay. Look at this one.
Nice one.
It's a mixture of yellow and red and purple.
Love that one.
And
Wow.
white.
And white. Si Ben talaga, hindi siya
Let's
magkamali.
make more room.
Okay. Hindi niya alam kung saan niya tatago ang kanyang...
For all of the corn.
Hindi niya alam kung saan niya tatago ang kanyang pumpkin. Yes, you're
Wait.
strong. Wow,
But
wait. There's
it
more.
It would
So
crush
excited.
the corn.
Yeah.
No, put it here.
Dito nga naman, Ben. Oh, this one doesn't have any. It's like a little pink. Oh, okay. There's a little bit.
I'll
Okay.
just break
That's okay.
it off.
Okay. Wow, ito guys yung isa.
We've got lots and lots of corn to cook
Yeah.
today. See that?
Tingnan natin kung ano namang surprise itong isa.
Just see the surprise and the color.
Si Kuya para excited. Ganito yung excitement ni Kuya pag siya nakakatanggap ng laruan. The same. That's good. Yeah, Ben, do you wanna open one?
I think we can save this.
Yeah, we can save that.
We can- and this,
Uh-huh.
these colorful corns we're gonna cook.
Okay. Meron pa dito guys, oh. Titingnan natin kung anong kulay.
Fresh from the garden.
Fresh from the garden. Si Ben matagal niya nang inaasam yun. Meron pa tayo isang pumpkin doon sa kabila.
See the surprise here. Check out the surprise.
Oh my! Whoa! There you go.
Look at my big pumpkin.
I know.
Anything.
Wow! It has something.
You know, a
Ayun.
big pumpkin
Ayan,
like
guys, oh.
this. Give me all the corn.
Ayan pa, oh. Oh, tomatoes. Nag-harvest din si Daddy ng tomatoes. Wow. Wow, look at this. These are good tomatoes. Yan, eat na, Ben. Sige, mukbang. Kuya, ito pa. Oh, yeah. Mahilig sila sa tomatoes. Yes.
I always want a little snack. I always want a little snack
I
while
know.
I'm
Yep.
peeling corn.
Mm-hmm.
This one tomato.
Yeah.
I really want.
Oh, yeah. Hold on.
snack.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let me move.
Yeah, we can harvest this one because I need to cook it.
Dad,
And maybe one of these. See, it's turning.
Mm.
It's getting soft.
Eat. Ooh. Mommy's Polite here.
Mommy's
Looks like it's made of wax.
I know, right? Yeah. Oh, baby, get this one too. Get this one too.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, that one. Just
Oh
one.
my goodness.
Leave the one. Yeah. There you go. Wow, that's bigger. That's bigger than this. It's
Yeah.
ready. Because it's turning yellow. Oh, okay, but it's still good. Wow! What you got, kuya? Ben, huwag tayong magpitas-pitas. Dito. Yan.
We harvested. Take my pumpkin and
Si
the
Ben.
vegetable.
So yan so far ang ating na-harvest.
I'm strong.
You're strong.
I'm very, very, very strong.
Very.
Daddy, I'm strong.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
So surprise.
And then, wow! Ito yung ano pa, oh.
Let me turn the brightness up.
Wow.
There's worms.
Ah, dali. Meron pa. That's it? Meron pang isa dito, guys. Ayan.
Let's see if it's a different variety or not. I want the apple one.
Oh. This one, you're holding it. Holding the pumpkin.
Wow. Wow, that is nice. Oh my, yes. Wow.
Look.
Oh, that's a light
Yeah,
colors.
like last
Maybe
time.
that one's not completely red.
Maybe. But hey, it's pretty.
Come and
It's
go
okay.
in the house and touch
No, it's
it.
ready.
No,
Ito guys, yung huling harvest. Ito pa, meron pa ito. Tulungan ko na si kuya. Ito medyo maliit.
I found one here.
Wow, look!
Surprise.
What is that? Is that a
I think
corn?
that's empty. Maybe that's a baby one. Is it? No, there's nothing. Kuya, ito oh. Whoa. That one is nice too.
Oh,
I think that's empty. Is there? Wow, si kuya lahat yung nag-peel ng almost. Yay! First time ni Ben. Kanina ayaw niya eh.
Hey, is
You
there
think-
nothing in it?
Well, we'll see. Yeah, look at that! Wow!
I'm not sure.
Ah, si Beb. Si Bebang nag-chill lang. Ay, sorry.
Hey, there's none.
Sorry.
There's none.
Sorry, Bebang. There's none. Oh, there's a little bit. A baby corn. See? Go put it.
Oh,
That's
the baby.
That's, yeah. That's something.
Baby corn?
2 hours later, Benjamin. Wow, Kuya's strong. Do you think there's some in there? Let's see what Benjamin got.
Let's see what I got.
What surprise. Ben naman dito, sabi nila ibaba daw tong buhok. Ibaba daw to.
but I think
Look, Mama.
Wow! Kay Ben na harvest. Ako ligit sa table. Bungi-bungi. Oh yeah? So yan na. Wow, Kuya's eating tomatoes. Naubos siya na guys yung tomatoes kanina. What's that, Ben?
they're ready.
Yeah, this one is ready.
Do you
Wow.
cut this off too at the same time?
Yeah, you can do that. As long as you leave, and this one too, you leave at least three leaves. Yan. Ng paborito niya. Eh, punasin muna sa ano. Wipe it first. Oh, that's okay. You already ate it. That's okay. It's okay now, Baba. Yan ang kanilang breakfast dito na sa garden nag-breakfast. Kain. Or you can just run it with your finger like that. Good, that's clean. Wala nang hugas-hugas. Yun. Ni-request niya yun. And on this corner, blackberries yung hinarvest ko kanina. Tapos yun guys, ang ating harvest. Wow!
Look at all of it.
I know. Look at that. Different varieties of corn. Tapos yung ating ampalaya. And ito yung yan na lang yung natira sa ating
Tomato.
Blackberries natin kanina. And yung ating pumpkin. Yan na.
That's all. The harvest.
That's all the harvest, right? At yung iba nakain na.
Are these seeds?
No, just flowers.
Look,
Corn
Mama.
looks like corn, right? Corn.
Yeah. Yeah. Oop, watch out. Oop.
Look,
I know. That's not ready yet. I think we have to wait till it.
that is bigger.
Yeah.
Big one looks like starting to turn a little bit
Yellow.
yellow on the bottom.
Maybe I planted spaghetti squash.
White
Oh yeah.
squash?
Oh yeah, watch out for your
I
eyes.
said white squash.
Spaghetti squash.
White squash.
Mhm.
The strawberries, Mama.
Napagod sa pag-harvest. Aba ba? Napagod sa pag-harvest ang mga bata. Ayan na lang yung ampalaya. Tsaka itong puti. Sabi ni Daddy, tatanggalan daw niya to ng damo. Kaya lang sabi ko, wag niyong yayak-yakin yung timani. Ayan, ito pa. Tsaka yung pa may dilaw dun eh. Tapos ito guys, yung ating red cabbage. Ayan. Nagtatanong ng ating grapes. Meron tayong grapes. Just the same lang last year. Ayun. Pero mas marami last year. Tapos ito kinakain guys ng June bug. So baka i-trim down ko na lang to next year. Tatanggalin ko na lang siya totally. Magtatanim ako ng mas healthy. Okay, nasa na si Kuya? Magdidilig lang ako guys.
Get from the heat conditioner.
Air conditioner. Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. So yun guys. So ilagay na natin sa ating basket. Ang ating kaunting na harvest. Ayan. Ang ating basket harvest. Tapos kasama na ito. Tapos balikan ko na lang yung pumpkin ni Ben. Ayan guys. Ito naman, bit-bit ko naman palabas yung ating compost. Para sa composting natin is yung mga used yan, coffee grounds, paper towel, mga tirang pizza na nahulog. So, dito ko siya lalagay sa aking
Mama,
compost bin.
if you know a big
Ayan. Ha? Big
a
bag?
big bug, Bebang,
Ayan. Mga balat-balat. Oop.
Bebang play with his big bug.
Big bag, guys. She's playing with a big bag. Okay. That's good. Tapos ito guys, yung lint sa washing machine. Pwede rin siyang i-compost. Or ilagay sa composting pit nyo.
Big bug.
Ayun. Yung sa tawag doon, lint sa washing. Sa washer. O, sa dryer. Ayun. Tapos, mas maganda kung haluin nyo rin siya. Pero ako, ginagawa ko, tinatabunan ko siya ng lupa. Daddy, could you help me please?
I just gonna show you the big bug.
Here, Daddy. And then we're gonna cover yung compost, yung ating mga fruit and vegetable peels. And then we just cover it so it won't smell and so that it won't attract bugs and insects and critters. Aking camera boy for a few minutes. So yan, kinover na natin para hindi siya mag-attract ng insects, bugs, para hindi mabaho. Siyempre, nakakaya sa kapitbahay. Nagbubulok ka dyan nagbubulok ka ng compost or ng, yun nga, mga binubulok. So, mabaho siya. Plus, ang ginagawa ko is tatakpan ko siya. Tulong na, Bonsai.
Put the pumpkin in the house.
Thank you.
Kuya,
Nako, nagkaagawan pa. Nag-away pa. Binigay ni Kuya kay Ben. Nako, mag-aaway na yan. Hi guys, thank you guys for watching our vlog for today. And sana enjoy nyo yung video nito, itong ating harvest. And si Daddy, naglilinis siya ng garden.
Try to clean it up.
But when it gets too hot, don't...
Yeah.
Yeah, so... Bye! Be yourself, be natural. Have a wonderful day.